In this video, we are going to see that how can you actually insert a YouTube video into the Microsoft Word document. Now this seems kind of like impossible, but it's not. There is a special feature supported by Microsoft Word into its products that allows us to use the videos as well. So what we are going to do in this case is not actually use an offline video, but a video that's available on YouTube online. So let's see how can we do that. So what are we going to do is, first of all, go to the insert tab. You need to make sure that your cursor is exactly at the position where you want the video to be inserted. Okay, then in the insert tab you need to search for this media group. In the media group there is this option of online video, so that means you can search and insert the videos from online sources. Let's just click on that. So if you want to insert a video from a particular website, you can just import it or embed its code over here, but what we are going to do is insert the video using YouTube. So what you got to do is just search on YouTube. Suppose I search for word tutorials. Okay, just like this, and press the search icon. So I'm getting a bunch of the word tutorials, and here if you just hover over any of these icons or any of these thumbnails, you would get some information about this as well, like Microsoft Word tutorial beginners level 1. So this would tell you the video name, and if you want you can also get additional information about the particular video over here in the bottom right corner, in the bottom left corner actually. So once you are happy with the video, you can just select the video. Here it's showing the title of the video and the channel which has uploaded it. Then click on insert. Now your video would be inserted. You can just adjust its size, its dimensions, and if you just click on the play button, then the video would start playing for you. So let's just give it a few seconds, and now you can see it starts playing directly from YouTube. So that's how you insert a YouTube video into a Word document. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.